Hi, Crystals101 here again. And yesterday I went to the Brighton Rock and Gem Show, and this is what found me. It is quartz, tourmalinated quartz. These little flecks in here, these little needles, are black tourmaline. So tourmalinated quartz combines the energies of quartz and black tourmaline. So it's a very grounding crystal. The black tourmaline makes it a very protective crystal as well. For dissolving negative energy, it also is good for balancing the chakras and our meridians. Those are like the little rivers that run through our body. It's also good for unity, solving problems. And a very, very good important point is it's good for dissolving the crystallized patterns that we might have in our lives, in our minds, that are holding us back. Those old beliefs that we might have had since we were kids, or that we might have got from our experience working with different people, and we thought, I'm not good enough, or something. Those old beliefs and thoughts, tourmalinated quartz is good for dissolving that. It's good for deflecting negative energy, and is good for getting rid of that negative energy that we might carry within us. No matter how good, how high our consciousness is, sometimes there's that little germ of negative energy that pops out from time to time. Tourmalinated quartz is good for sorting that out. It also, this is a real powerhouse crystal. It also balances our yin and yang energy, male and female. And have I forgotten anything? No, I haven't. This is a really beautiful and powerful crystal, and I've even got the bracelet to go with. And by the way, this is citrine for prosperity. The Buddha blesses us all. You're amazing. And so is this.